In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your subscription plan and update billing in the dashboard. Start on your dashboard and look to the top right corner. Click your profile avatar to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose Account and Billing. This takes you to the hub where you manage payment details and subscription settings, so it's the right place to make changes safely and clearly. On the Account and Billing page, find and click Show New Plans. This reveals the latest plan options and pricing so you can compare what's currently available. When you click it, you'll be taken to the Pricing Plans page. At the top of this page, select the contact amount that best matches your audience size, for example, 0 to 500 contacts. This number reflects how many people you keep in your list, and it shapes the final price. If you're unsure, choose the tier that covers your current total with a little room to grow, so you don't hit a limit right away. Now review the available plans and how they fit your needs and budget. You'll see Premium at $350 per month, Standard at $20 per month, Essentials at $13 per month, and Free at $0 per month. The price you see is based on the contact tier you selected at the top, and in some regions, taxes may be added at checkout. As you browse, look for notes on included features and any usage caps so you choose a plan that matches how you work today and where you expect to be soon. When you've decided, click the plan you want to switch to. You'll land on a summary page. Take a moment to review the plan details and the final pricing before you proceed. This is a good time to confirm the contact tier at the top is correct, since changing that can adjust the monthly cost. Next, enter or confirm your billing information. Make sure your billing address matches your payment method, and verify the billing email is one you monitor so receipts and notices reach you. If you're part of a team account, confirm you have permission to make plan changes. To finish, click Upgrade or Choose Plan to confirm the plan change. You may see a quick confirmation message, and your new plan will be active right away or at the start of your next billing cycle, depending on your current subscription. That's it. Your plan is updated, your billing is set, and you're ready to move forward with the right level of service for your needs.